Come, let's celebrate the demonstration of power. Join Prophet Joseph Saki and the members of Soul Mission International Church for a special prophetic service dubbed Prayer Banquet.
The more people say wrong things and fake things about you, the more God blesses you. The more you pull him down. Never think I'm going to promote. One can't make a siapa. One can't make a siapa.
Hello viewers, my name is Prophet Joseph Saki from Soul Mission International Ministry. I'm personally inviting you for a 3-month prayer banquet which have been designed to transform your life. This program has been packed with spirit-filled word, prophetic, prayer, healing and deliverance. Starting on 7th August to 9th October, and the time is 6 to 8 o'clock p.m. It's a 2-hour journey with the Lord. Come and your life will no longer be the same. We are located at Odoko Official Town, last stop, close to Onipe Hiamwa. You can call the following numbers on your screen. See you there. God bless you.
We know where it is.